Hi fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael of Lomash Confectionery, and today we are making Mgbadume. This used to be a very olden days snacks. So let's get to it. I have flour here, all measured and sifted. I have the cinnamon, baking powder, sugar, melted margarine, and milk. So let's get into it. So growing up, I don't know about the Gen Zs, but these were like the millennial snacks, and this is kind of the the recent or the modern one. I know the olden days one, they don't add butter, but this one we are adding butter to it, melted. So I've mixed my butter, my flour, and sugar. I'm adding baking powder, cinnamon, everything together. It's a very simple recipe to make, and guys, you can actually monetize this to make cool money from it. Yes, I come correct for you guys. Yeah. Anyway, so I added my melted margarine. See, when I say this recipe is easy, it's very easy. Just mix together until combined. And then please remember to wash your hand. Very important. Wash your hand, because we don't want any sort of jam getting into what we are giving people. So yeah, after mixing this, the next thing to do is to do what? Add our milk. So I'm just trying to make sure that, we get it to crumbly nature. Yeah, so once that is achieved, we add our milk. You can use normal powdered milk, you add water, or you can use already like liquid milk, pig milk, Grey Crown, whatever works for you. Go ahead and make use of it. Then combine, knead until they are combined. It's not stressful at all. Okay, so just make sure they are all combined together. Transfer to your clean surface and knead. Oh my god, you see, it's no longer sticky. It ain't sticky anymore. So so once you are done, place it in your bowl, cover with towel or cling film, and allow it to just rest for like 10 minutes. Yeah, just 10 minutes. So you don't have to keep it in a warm or cold place. Just keep it anywhere, yeah. It's just for the dough to rest. Now it's done resting, and the next thing we have to do is to roll your dough gently on the table. Okay, I think they need to sign me to start singing. Ignore me, I play too much. So anyways, once you're done rolling, look at the side, that thickness. You can roll it flatter if you don't want this thickness. Yeah, but this is perfect for me. And then we cut. You can use normal cutters to cut the sizes you want. You can cut round shape, star shape, whatever shape you want. Do your thing and then start frying. So let's test our oil. So once you put a little dough and this happens, we are ready. And then I go ahead to add